A big problem with lots of business plans out there is to identify competition. Who's your competitor? Never use the excuse that no one else does what we do. Someone else is out there, by the way. You just need to do a lot more homework and dig up who they are. See, competition's good because it verifies and validates your business, saying, yes, this has an opportunity. Someone else thought of it. Now, once you identified your competition, you can now follow someone else's mistakes. See, first mover advantage really means the first mover has the first right to fail. And smart companies learn from other companies' failures. So make sure you identify your competition. Okay, fine. Keep your friends close and keep your enemies closer. That only works in war. In business, don't identify your competition as an enemy. Identify them as someone that you need to at least understand and then jump ahead. Competition is actually good. Embrace it, work with it. And then you'll see your business grow immensely.
Technology.